Well, we're here at Optimal Chiropractic in Ballincollig with Dr. Benjamin Martin, the owner of this very well laid out and lovely office, and
Thank you.
obviously a business that you're developing, and most importantly, I think that you're bringing the easy side of the business in. You want to get away from the clinical side. It looks like a very child-friendly place as well.
It is. I mean, the children and pregnant women probably make up about 30% of our business. So really, a lot of it is about making this somewhere that the children feel comfortable and feel safe, where, you know, we'll talk about where the kids actually enjoy being in the office. They run in here, they want to get up on the table, they want to get looked after, rather than, you know, me walking around in a white clinic jacket where they think we're going to draw blood, or they think we're going to, you know, be giving them injections or whatever it might be. So
what does a chiropractor do, briefly?
Yeah, well, basically it's all about getting your brain communicating properly with your body. So your brain's sending messages down your spinal cord out to every organ, every cell within your body. Now the problem is, with our daily stresses, whether they're physical stresses of car accidents, falls, sporting injuries, or emotional stresses that we all have with partners or children or finances or whatever it might be, the bones in our spine can actually move out of place, and that causes pressure on the nerve, and that essentially stops the messages from your brain coming out to the rest of your body. And in time, it starves certain cells in your body of information, and it can lead to conditions within those areas. So in time, it can lead to aches and pains, or it can lead to more serious illnesses. So my job as a chiropractor is to find the bone that's out of alignment, move it back into place using a gentle technique that we do in the office, and then from there, allow your body time to heal itself.
No big machines or surgery.
No.
It really is a soft approach to treating the patient.
Very much so. There's no big. I personally specialise in a technique called activated. There's a handful of us in Ireland who are trained and qualified to use this technique. And it saves us having to do the big twists and cracks that most people would associate with chiropractic care. And obviously, being a 6'4" guy myself, it can be daunting to people when they see that we're going to grab their neck and twist it one way or twist it the other. So this way, it's a very low force, very specific instrument that basically gives a very gentle thrust. It feels no different, just a little tap on your skin. So I had a baby last week who's only 2 weeks of age, who had a very traumatic birth that we looked after. So there's definitely no problems for an adult as far as comfort levels go with the technique.
Okay, been 8 years. You're established. You know, you've built up your client base.
Yeah.
You obviously have ambitions for the future. What are your plans for the business?
Yeah, the direction that we're going in now, in the last 6 months, we've rebranded very recently, and the direction really is paediatric care, pregnancy care, and what I would term genuine health care, where we want to help sick people get better. And yeah, we'll always be able to help people with neck pain and back pain, but we want to help people who have MS, people with Parkinson's. There was a gentleman who came in yesterday with Parkinson's, and instantly, as soon as we adjusted him, the movement that he has in his legs, the stiffness that he had, within 10 seconds of getting off the table, had instantly disappeared. So he was able to walk out of here with at least some sort of ease and comfort. And this is what it's about. It's about improving people's quality of life, and that's what we see ourselves more of, rather than a sort of medical type clinic, more as a quality of life centre, where it's about trying to help you back towards that.
I would imagine, Ben, that the sense of satisfaction you get when you see something like that must be tremendous.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, unbelievable. Yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. I mean, I think sometimes you have to keep it, because you can start to become complacent, that you start seeing it every day, and it's still looking at each individual case and realizing, wow, this is incredible what we can still do for these people. And you know, I think very often people are looking for something different to just your mainstream. The mainstream people they've always gone to. So, you know, the medical people, even things like physiotherapy, so on, and they work brilliantly, but this can be so much more than that. Another level that possibly chiropractic integrated with all of this can also help people with. So that, yeah, again, it's about people going up to another level again with their health.
Okay, and just to let our viewers know, and people know, that you have a special offer running as well.
We'll do it, yeah, for everybody who sees this program. They're very welcome to come into our office, have a look around, see what it's all about, and come and avail of a free consultation in the office. So we'll work out what's going on, set some goals for that they may have, and from there we can give them some options. We'll go through a full consultation, examination. We have some scans that we do in the office as well that'll give me a better indication of the extent of sort of any underlying damage. From there I can go away, put together some options, offer you some choices, and there's no obligation after that.
So there you have it, a fantastic special offer. Make your way here to Ballincollig, to Times Square, and Dr. Benjamin Martin will give you a free consultation well worth taking up.